we have given class selector, ID selector, tag based selector, and an inline style CSS. The properties are same, the values are all different. So the question is, which style will apply here first? Hello friends, welcome to OctaCoder. In this video lecture we are going to learn about CSS priority selectors. So let's start. We have already learned all CSS selectors. What are the ways to give style to HTML elements? We can give as a universal selector, we can give as a tag based or element based selector, ID and class selectors. We learned all in the previous lectures, and you can give three ways style CSS, that is a inline style CSS, internal style CSS and the external style CSS. So here is the question is, which style CSS will apply first? It is a class, or it is a ID, or it is a tag based style CSS will apply first. So in this video lecture we are going to learn about which style CSS will apply first. What are the priorities of style CSS to give? So let's create a new file and let's take a div tag. So we already learned internal style CSS and external style CSS, how to give it. If you want to give here, let's take a class. This class is a CSS class. Let's give internal style CSS here. Internal style CSS is given inside the style tag. Then the class operator is a dot and our class name, and open curly and close curly braces, and inside you can give here anything: background color, red, height and width 200 pixel. Save this file, open in the browser. So that's how we give the internal style CSS. We can apply as a CSS class, or we can also apply as a ID selector. This is a CSS ID. We can give any name, but for the understanding we have given this is a class, so this is a ID. Let's give here a font size because our font is very small, so let's make it as a bigger font size, 26 pixel, color white. And see, that's how we can give as a ID selector, and also we can give as a tag name div. So let's give margin 30 pixel. Save this file, open in the browser. Now see, that's how we have given class base, ID base and tag base. And now we can also give here as a inline style CSS. Now let's give here a border to pixel solid and give color black. Save this file, open in the browser. So that's how we have also given a border. So that's how we can give style CSS in a 4 ways. We can give as a class selector, we can give as a tag based selector, we can give as an ID selector, or you can give as a inline style CSS. We can give 4 ways style CSS to the HTML element. So the here question is, what if the all properties are the same? We write this property inside the ID, we have written inside the div tag also, and we have written also inside the inline style CSS. What if those all properties are the same but the values are the different? So which style will apply to our HTML element? So this is also interview questions, which style CSS will apply to the first. So let's see the practical here. Let's apply these all properties to the same, copy these all and paste it here. All are the same properties, but we are going to give the values different. If we have given class selector, the properties are same but the values are these different. We have given also ID selector, the properties are same, the values are different. We have given also tag based selector, the all properties are the same but the values are the different. And we have given also inline style CSS here inside the div tag. The properties are same, the values are all different. So the question is which style will apply here first. So let's open this file in the browsers and now see. We don't know here which one is applied. So every browser has their own debugging tool. You can right click on the web page and inspect here, and now let's go to the div tag. So here you will understand which style CSS is applied. So you can check it is applied as a inline style CSS. The browser take it first as a inline style CSS. We have also given ID selector, but the browser got the all IDs properties values. We have also given CSS class selector. The all properties values are not applied. We have given also div tag. These properties are not applied, but the browser took it the first as a inline style CSS because the first priority is inline style CSS. So now you understand which style will apply to the HTML elements. We have given all selectors, but the browser took it inline style CSS first. So the CSS first priority is inline style CSS. So no matter what, we can give as a class selector, or we can give as a ID selector, or we can give as a tag based selector. Those style will not applied, but if the user have given inline style CSS inside the div tag, then inline style CSS will apply first. So now you know CSS first priority is inline style CSS. So what if there is not inline style CSS? Now the second question is which styles will apply first. Is it a class selector style will apply first, or it is a ID selector style CSS will apply first, or it will div tag style CSS will apply the first? So which selector will take the first place? So now we will learn in the next lecture. So stay tuned with the OctaCoder.